Well, here we are, October the 24th, 2018, and you're looking at my completed 1937 Harley UL. Very happy with the results. I bought this last year in 2017 in August off a gentleman who had it in his garage for many years, and he has some serious health issues that prevented him from riding anymore or doing any kind of heavy work at all. So it was a hard decision for him. It broke his heart actually when I bought it and loaded it up and brought it home. Now the bike was pretty well complete, just it needed to be rebuilt and restored, so that was a good thing, because I'm sure you know anything original on these old bikes are very valuable. Fenders, oil tank, gas tanks, the frame, the springer, transmission, 1937 transmission. You'll see all of this in the pictures. Also the engine, 37 UL with matching crankcase numbers. And I completely tore it apart and rebuilt everything, right from the wheels, from the rubber on the road up to the top of the handlebars. Everything's been removed and rebuilt. I wanted to make sure not only did it look good, but that everything worked the way it was supposed to, and I'd have no problems with it. That's the best way to make a motorcycle if you can, is do it all yourself, know every part of it. So you'll see that all in the pictures. Just very nice motorcycle, very classic looking. And I finished it in September. Took me about 6 months of work to do it all. Kind of just locked myself in the little 10 by 10 shop I have, and my wife let me use the basement and everywhere else in the house to put parts and have things all prepared and ready to go. So it's pretty good. Very happy with the end results. My last motorcycle was 38 years ago. Last motorcycle I had, I sold in 1982, and it was a beautiful Harley Davidson panhead dual glide. You'll see that in the pictures too. I posted pictures out of the photo album I had. I completely rebuilt and restored that. Bought that in 1978, and it's kind of a chopper back then, and I made it into a beautiful dual glide. Well, I'm gonna give this bike a start. Really cold last night. I think it's only about 34 degrees now. 34, 35. Got down to freezing. But it starts really good. I find it likes two primary kicks with the choke on and the ignition off. And then I turn the ignition on, retard the distributor, a little bit of throttle, and it fires up. But I'm still getting used to it, so we'll see how it goes now. I'll give her a go. took the choke completely off. Still pretty cold. Still cold, needs to be warmed up. It's like me, I don't like the cold. Notice I put two lenses in rather than the gauges. So I have on this side here is for the generator, and this side is for the oil pressure. The gauges aftermarket are very, very expensive. Maybe well over $1,000 just for me to get the gauges. They're hard to find. I just put the nice lenses in. Everything works on the bike. Put the headlight on. It is got a 12-volt system now. Leather mud flap on the front fender. Everything rebuilt. Re-spoked wheels. Painted the rims and the hubs and everything else.